legend and craft.
Hey guys, how are you all doing? And welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Oh my
Guys,
god.
today I'm going to change this boring sea clock into a really fashionable golden decor piece. Guys, it looks like कि मैंने ये खरीदी है लेकिन ये मैंने only at home बनाई है with cardboard pieces. Guys, if you are also shocked, please hit the like button. Guys, this is my very original idea, so let's get started.
I want you and only you. I got nothing left to lose. Oh, so I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. I need you closer. I want you and only you. Keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer. I want you and only I want you and keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. I need you closer, I want you. So I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. I need you closer, I want you and only
Guys, at last it's ready. I mean, itni easily, only in 3 minutes I have created this masterpiece. I used double-sided tape to stick it and ta-da! It's ready! Now it's your turn to subscribe.